I start. And at any second now I think it all might fall apart. Cause there's a god-awful shitty feeling of dread in my heart. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. There's a devil in my brain with a pitchfork and a flame. Yeah, he likes to poke around and he likes to tell me things. And whenever I begin to feel like I might be deranged, I remember there's a little shitty devil in my brain. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Who doesn't burn? Yeah, the kind who fights the good fight, not the kind you'll find fist a fucking coffin in the dirt. There's a god-awful shitty feeling of dread in my heart, and I can't seem to change my attitude, but I can change my shirt. Cause you know how actually at times that can be a good start, but not today. There's still a god-awful shitty feeling of dread in my heart. Yeah, yeah, yeah.